Hey guys, Talks About 86 here. I'm just saying, if you're watching this video right now, you want to watch another video. It's called Oof, I lost 3 subscribers. You need to watch that because this is the second parter, and also parter. Also you need to watch this video too, because guess what? My movie or YouTube or whatever is like, oh, you can't make a video that's over 15 minutes. So yeah, I need to split this up. So don't worry. I'm gonna upload the second and stuff just when I upload this, okay? But yeah. Please watch this first. But watch Oof, I lost 3 subscribers first. Then watch this video and watch the other video that's about to be uploaded. Okay, to the new intro. Hey dude, you need to wake up. It's breakfast time. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Where am I? What happened? What do you mean, dude? You passed out after last night's party. What do you mean, party? I never get invited to parties. What's that awful sound? Jesus. Sounds like a helicopter is in our room. It's just a fan because it's very, very hot. What do you mean it's hot? It's fall. No, whatever. Let's just go and make breakfast. But it's nighttime, not morning. What did you just do? Ah! How did you do that? I don't know. But yeah, let's just go get you good breakfast, okay? No, dude, I physically want to know how you did that. Okay, so we're going to be making scrambled eggs. So, so what you need is either 3 eggs if you want to. You could also use 1, 2. A pan, of course. This kind of spatula. This one's much more easier to use. Sorry if I sound weird. I'm kind of sick a little bit. Pan. I prefer to use pan because it's much more easier. Yeah. Okay, let's get it cooking. Okay, so for the eggs, we need to, crack them and stuff. I'm not gonna be able to do that on camera because it's hard to crack it. Here we go. So you stir it like this. Sorry to hear background noise. I was originally gonna voice over this, but I didn't. So once it's like this, kind of. Okay, so like this, then you get all the egg out. So then you put this on medium, like that. Get some Pam. Gotta shake it up a little bit. Get on everything so egg won't stick. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, then you have to pour in the egg. Then, once it starts whitening up and stuff, you start doing like this to make it solidify. So yeah, I'm gonna skip to where it starts whitening. So if you look, like, right here, it's starting to whiten. So then, you just start doing that. And you see how it's holding back? That means it's solidifying. So basically, you want to start doing this. If it like keeps on like going back, that means it's done. So we'll fight yet. Okay, so now we're gonna wait a little bit more. Okay, now. Okay. Now, let's wait. No. Actually, it's starting to get to the process where it's almost done. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna have to like wait a little bit more. And you see how like everything is smooth. That's because of the pan. I mean, you could also cook scrambled eggs with butter and stuff. But I prefer pan because it's kind of healthy and stuff. So yeah. But like yeah, as you see, it's starting to solidify. So I'm about to have to turn, like flip some of these. So yeah, I'm gonna like cut for that because like it's really hard to flip only one hand. Right now it's almost done. Guess I wait. Oh frick! I have to wait a little bit longer. Okay, so once you got it like this, it's perfect. Okay, you can cook it any way you want. If you want cooked very done, cook a little longer. If you like it gooey like mine, just cook it the way I cooked it. And I'm using Louisiana hot sauce if you want to know. That's the best hot sauce for eggs to me. And yeah.